boots, spurs, horses, sunsets, and hats. This spring, Light Elegance is riding right into cowgirl country to celebrate all strong, feminine females out there. So, if you think that I'm going to add a lot of cowgirl puns, trying to use Texas slang with a cringy Swedish accent, and lots of yeehaws in this video, you are absolutely right. Let's go, y'all! Leslie, the co-founder of Light Elegance, says that these shades were designed to highlight the toughness and vibrance of a cowgirl while accenting with soft, neutral tones that showcase the feminine balance of the modern-day cowgirl. Yeehaw! In the Buttercream collection, we got 6 shades as usual, and we're going to take them all out for a test ride. Is there any sexier than strutting your stuff in suede? Probably yes, but let's talk about this color. A soft cream brown blush that will make your cowboys and cowgirls go, yeah, to the who. A neutral with a pink pop that works all year round. Never approachable from the front, a horse from the rear, and a fool from any direction. But this little filly is all about fun. A bright carnation pink with just a touch of pearl shimmer. Even if you're digging into dirt and scooping up horse food that has been processed, that doesn't mean that your nails have to look like shit. If you're chased by the Daltons and you're not Lucky Luke, then you might need to consider investing into a lucky horseshoe. Thank you. I worked almost 10 seconds with that pun. Is it a blue or is it a green? But no, it is your perfect turquoise. A must for every spring collection. Come here, y'all, and let's gather up by the fire. Sunrise Roundup will bring all your cow friends, animals, and people to watch the sunrise happen right on your nails. A bright neon coral that is locked and loaded with tiny bits of sparkly pearl glitter. If there's any advice you should strictly follow to the day you die, it is to never squat with your spurs on. Chaps and Spurs is your creamy muddy pink mauve, and it is a soft and classy color. It works for all seasons and any occasion. Wear it and match the mud piles around the farm, or combine it with that business suit at your next Zoom meeting. Knockin' boots sounds like a country song. And you know what? I bet $10 that there's a country song out there with this particular name. This is a soft, creamy gray lavender with a lot of white in the background. And just because I'm running out of colors and I couldn't find a spot used for my next catchphrase, I am going to use this opportunity and do it now. Howdy, partner! So there you have it. Every color that you need as a strong, feminine cowgirl. I would also like to take this opportunity to apologize for the magnitude of Swedish Texas cringe in this video, but I had a lot of fun. This amazing collection will be available to salon customers everywhere on Friday, February 26th. Also, if you didn't know, the Light Elegance products are vegan, cruelty-free, nine-free, and HEMA-free. And if you're wondering, these country props are actually my mom's old stage outfits that I used to dress up in as a kid. So now you know. So let's wrap this collection video up with a yeehaw! And I hope to see you in the next one. Adios!